Hi everyone, I'm at Lowe's. It's raining. Can you all see the rain? Alright, we're going to have a conversation. I want to know, do you all like these baskets? Let's take a look. Subscribe, like, and please comment. Please comment, you all. This is a conversation. One moment, let me turn the camera around. Alright. Do baskets like these speak to you? Inside we have vines, Petunias, and Calabracas. Now, of course, I'm loving Petunias this year. But do these baskets speak to you? Full sun. Let's take a look. You get the bloom summer, spring, and fall. They have several of them today. It's like if you wanted to split the varieties up, and they're half off, I'm assuming. So for those who have passions or desires, I have the bubblegum. Oh, super Petunias. Let's take a look, you all. That's what I'm going to buy today. All right. Get some color going in my garden. But they only have one. They have a different variety here, but those aren't my color combinations. So I just wanted to talk about it. Now here they have other baskets. Let's see, what's this? Full of sun. Let's take a look at the back. Right, so I'm running into something beautiful. Let's take a closer look. This pot, it's no way this whole pot can be hung. Oh my gosh, it's too heavy. So tip, watch out for these baskets because these always break off. And if you were planning on hanging them, you'll get home and be a little bit upset. So these are a different variety of super teens. Proven winners. I'm just not into these colors, but I'm sure a lot of other people are. Okay, fuchsia is my color. I'm loving fuchsias and purples this season. All right, here's a different variety. Blushing princess. Beautiful. Purple is my other thing. So I might just grab. Well, see, I would want all of the middle purples. But, you all, I just wanted to show you all a different variety. And sometimes if you have some that's on sale, and you find a different variety, you can ask for the same price. So that's the tip. Especially, look at the dogs. Look at the dogs. Just hanging out at Lowe's. So as you all see, one super Petunia is $5 by Proven Winners. $5 for one, which looks like that. So when I get home, I'm going to see how many super Petunias are in the bigger pot. how many do you all think to see the true savings? All right, you all, I'm at Walmart and I wanted to film this Colliers for $12.88. Plant Mama Tatiana is in love with Colliers, so go check her out on YouTube. And their selection is small. The plant section used to be over there, you all. This is Walmart's plant section now. All right, Tatiana, this one was for you.